How to turn on 2FA on Binance US exchange. So first what you need to do is open your Binance US app. From the main screen, tap the Binance icon at the top left, then select your profile and tap on security. Here you'll find the option for 2FA at the top. You can choose between passkeys or an authentication app. Tap authenticator app, then tap enable. Binance will send a 6-digit verification code to your email. Open your inbox, copy the code and enter it into the app. Next, you'll see a setup key. Copy it, then open your authenticator app and add it as a new account. Paste the key, then tap add. Once the code is generated, copy it and go back to Binance US. Enter the 6-digit code from your authenticator into the app and tap submit. Now your two-factor authentication is active on Binance US. That's how you can turn on 2FA for Binance US. Thanks for watching.